Hey guys, and welcome to another Apache NiFi tutorial. This is Adrian, and in this demo or tutorial, aka new chapter in our Apache NiFi learning path, we're gonna see how we can enrich our GeoIP or using a GeoEnrichIp processors. What do we need to make it happen, and what is the output of it, and then what you can do with the output. So let's go ahead with no further ado. I'm gonna walk you first through the steps. We're gonna create an update attribute and we're gonna allocate an IP to it. So let me just do a demonstration here, and let's say find IP geolocation. We're gonna jump into a website and we're gonna use this IP. So yeah, this points to Melbourne, Australia, pretty much where I'm from. This is my local IP at the moment. And let's go ahead and see if our GeoIP enrich processor can give us back the same result. So we're gonna jump in. I already have it created, but we're gonna go through a demo and show you guys how we can create it. So let's jump into this processor group next to it. First, what we wanna do, we wanna drag a generate flow file. This will simulate an incoming flow file. After this, we're gonna drag an update attribute. Okay, I forgot how to just write. Update attribute. All right. And we're gonna link them together. Okay, great. Now here we're gonna create a property as here described here, and we're gonna call it IP address. You can actually extract this from any incoming flow file, but for this purpose, for this demo, we're just gonna create and give it a value with my IP. After this, we're gonna drag in a GeoEnrichIp. Alright, so this particular processor, we're gonna link it on success. So for this particular processor, you actually have to provide him with a max_mine database file. Actually, you're gonna have to have it downloaded on your local system, on your NiFi server. I already had downloaded because I already have logstash installed next to my Apache NiFi, and it sits in this location. I'm gonna save it, and you guys can actually download it from this particular address here. I'm gonna put the link in the video description, where the moment you go to the link, you can actually download it from here or other versions of them. Anyway, so let's go back to our tutorial. So you add the file full path. What you want to do, you want to add the name of the parameter or the property we've declared in the update attribute. So you want to add it in the IP address attribute box. Alright, then we're going to apply. We're going to drag a log attribute so we can link with the failure or not found in this case. And also we're going to add an attributes T to JSON. So the output of this process of the GeoEnrichIp will be transformed into attributes to JSON. So this is the list of attributes that will be returned. So the name of the property we've declared with the IP address, and then all of these parameters. I'm not going to go through them. Some of them, they're pretty reasonable to understand. Longitude, latitude, accuracy, city, country, isocode, postal code. You can actually click on this one and go to view usage, and will give you definition of what they are. So let's go back to our demo. Right now, relationship found. Yeah, because this should be found. Sorry, guys. And we're gonna forward this success to see what is the output of the attributes to JSON and failure. In the attribute, and there's a last step in the attributes to JSON, what we want to do, we want to list the attributes we want to display in a JSON format. So we're going to go to our file here, and you can see you can list them using comma. So I'm going to go all the way to put them in a single line. Great. So now I have them. I'm just going to paste them into the attributes list. We're now going to use an irregular expression, and we want this to the flow file content. So we want to push it into the flow file content. We don't want to have it as an attribute. All right, and then apply. And now everything is valid but this one, because this is the last in line. Let's go ahead and run. We're going to set it up to run every 60 seconds. Okay, so it's already set it up. We're going to generate one flow file. We're going to update the attribute and pass that public IP. And we're going to run the GeoEnrichIp now. Alright, so we see we have a response. And now let's list the queue. And as you can see, you get all the GeoEnrich attributes outside. He found it's Melbourne, he found it's the country is Australia, he found the latitude and longitude, the state is Victoria. He missed a bit on the postal code. If we go on the ones that we run, but I've already closed it. Let's get back here, and now let's expose it as a JSON file. Run this, and we get a success. You see there's a bit of bytes there. Now list the queue, and let's look inside and see what he gave me. So as you can see, now we managed to take a public IP and transform it and get more details from it. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this one and you found this useful. This is actually useful. You can then take this output and push it into logstash or Elasticsearch and do all sort of cool stuff with it. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If not, give me a thumbs down. I see you guys in the next tutorial. We're gonna find another new interesting stuff to do with Apache NiFi.